Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like and follow along. So as you can see, the sun is absolutely splitting the sky. We're heading to our welding course, so let's get there, do some welds and then pick up tomorrow, dropping my brakes off and getting some welding done on the garage. Once again, brakes are in the boot, paint is there. Let's head to Andy's and get these sandblasted. And once the brakes are sandblasted, we can fit them back to that poor Mini sitting in the garage. Time to do some sandblasting. Just dropping in the middle of this video, got the new phone, all hooked up, charging, getting ready to do all the transfers. So hopefully my camera will be 5 times better. Also, I'm looking to get a GoPro for Japan. So yeah, if you head over to the website, grab yourself some merchandise there. All goes towards the trip and the projects. Appreciate it. Let's go. So guys, we're heading up to Aaron from Andy's. Unfortunately, Andy couldn't extract some of the broken bleed nipples that we broke getting them out. They're all calipers. The bleed nipples were welded in there. He did get 1 or 2 of them out, but unfortunately the rest of them have snapped. So Aaron said that he'll be able to get them out. He said he's going to weld onto them. I know Andy welded onto them already, but hopefully Aaron has a better way of getting them out. If not, we're probably going to have to get them to an engineering company to get them to extract them that way. So we're heading up to Aaron in the garage now, see how the 300ZX is getting on and to see how the build is getting on. We haven't seen the 300 in a while, so let's go have a look at Aaron's car. And a massive thanks to Andy for doing the sandblasting. I was supposed to do them, but I had to leg it that night, and then I didn't get to go down for a night or two, and then Andy texted me. He was like, hey, your calipers are done, I just sandblasted them and they look incredible. So yeah, nice one Andy, I really do appreciate you sandblasting the calipers, and I stung them to do the hubs as well, so everything's going to be nice and spanky clean. So yeah, let's get to the garage down to Aaron to have a look at his calipers. I'm dreading what he's going to say, but yeah, I'd rather him do it than me do it, and me fuck it up than him fuck it up. So let's go. Right guys, it's dark, but we made it down to Aaron's. Let's go. So Aaron's car is under the blueness here because shitty blown up AMG Merc above it, leaking oil, so I don't want to take the cover off it, but she has a fat ass 3 inches either side extra, and then he has lovely side skirts on it now, which will actually move around. Front wings as well, all done, Car looking nice and shiny. Well, not shiny anymore. Needs a respray again. But she got a fat ass. So Aaron's over there doing welding, getting these bad boys out. Happy days. But I was looking at the back bumper and I was thinking the back bumper was perfect, painted, lovely. And I said, why, what was wrong with the back bumper? He had to widen it because...
I didn't even cut it.
He didn't cut it?
No, polyurethane, so it just flexed out.
Oh, Jesus. Like you can actually see the difference in the width.
Body line as well, that was in the one gone.
Yeah. It's savage though. Oh, look at that. Nice. So yeah, that's a bit different. Nice cooling for his back tyres. I think he's going to have to go with bigger wheels. What do you think? I think he's going to have to go with an 18 or a 19 on the back, because look at that gap. Loving the spoiler. Double spoiler. Yeah. Just found a lightsaber here. Drill bit about maybe 10 foot long. Aaron's burning himself over there. Having great fun. I'll get you new socks. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
I started that this morning. First touch of the cake.
Jesus, that's some difference, isn't it? Holy. Now, back under the cover for another 6 months, huh? Now, lonely walk with my little white bag to the car. Aaron got all the bleed nipples out, happy days. So we're gonna go home, get them ready for paint and paint them. So, peace. So guys, next step for the brakes. Obviously they're sandblasted. I just need to wire brush all the nastiness off where they welded on to get the bleed nipples off, and then just give them a degrease and paint them gold. So gold is the colour I'm going with. I just need to get some plugs for these. Obviously plug up where the bleed nipples go and then mask up the back side of it, because I don't want any paint getting in there, because in here is like brand new. And that's a nice surface for the new pistons and the new seals and all that. So yeah, very happy. I'm gonna get these painted and hopefully rebuilt in the next few days. It's really nice out. I was spending the day or two in the back garden around the shed sorting all that out. You'll see that in another video, either before this or after this. So yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get these painted and on the car, and then we have a few bits and pieces from Retro Components to fit to the car, the tow hook, loads of bits and pieces for the interior. And I just want to get the car ready because we have a car show coming up in the next 3 weeks, and I also want to drive the car. I really enjoy driving the car. So yeah, let's get these painted and on the car. Now that's just one quick coat that I've done on them. Let's get these finished. I'm going to do 2 or 3 coats, get them all done, let them dry, get down to the garage, get that other one torn out, get the other one down here, get it painted, put them all, well, get my brother, I might bring these with me tonight, get him to rebuild them, and then I can paint the other one, put them all together, get them on the car. Can anyone guess where these are going? In the bin. Peace out. So this is all the new bits of them shitty calipers. Have all the new bolts and stuff in here, ready to rock and roll. I have the calipers outside, getting painted. So guys, this is a bit of a long episode, so what I'm going to do is cut it here and go straight to a new video of getting them rebuilt, getting them fit to the Mini, also fitting the Retro Components parts to the Mini, and doing all that in the one video. So yeah, make sure you come back for that video, give this video a like, comment, and make sure you're subscribed to see what's happening with the Mini next. Peace out and be dedicated. See you in the next one.